Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Primer, Chapter 7, Long Sound of Vowels. Double O sound. Bool, pool, stool, boot, root, wood, read, food, cool, zoo, room, look, boon, spoon, good, fool, roof, poor, mood, tool, school. Double E sound. B, seed, wheel, tree, deer, sweets. Read, deed, fee, feel, zip, need, free, green, deep, sea, seed, meat, wheat, tree, screen. Let's do the exercise. Complete the words. 1. Street. 2. Tree. 3. Deed. 4. Pool. 5th. Fool. 6th. Feet. 7. Broom. 8. Keep. 9. Wood. 10. Screen. 11. Zip. 12. Boot. Match the rhyming words. Deed, seed, see, feed, free, tree, green, screen, zip, deed, food, mood, root, boot, boon, spoon, tool, school, wood, good. C. Write rhyming words for the following. 1. Deep, sleep. 2. Feel, peel. 3. Moon, boon. 4. Pool, school. 5. Need, deed. 6. Root, boot. 7. Week, speak. 8. Goose, lose. Double L sound. Cell, bell, well, ball, doll, bull. Read. Ball, wall, call, tall. Fall, small, hall, mall. Bell, will, sell, tell. Fill, hell, shell, smell. Ill, bill, will, fill. Till, mill, hill, kill. Roll, pole, toll, doll. Stroll, bull, full, dull. Gull, pull, jelly, belly. Holly, rally, trolley. Double S sound. Ass, grass, glass, dress, pussy. Read. Boss, loss, cross, cross, moss, toss. Brass, pass, grass, mass, class, bus. Less, dress, press, mess, chess, bless. His, bliss, kiss, miss, Chris, Swiss. Bus, cuss, fuss, huss, muss, truss. Let's do the exercise. A. Name the following pictures. Glass, boy, cross, dress, chess. B. Match the following. 1. Ball. 2. Grass. 3. Bull. 4. Dress. 5. Hill. C. Fill in the blanks with correct word. 1. Rohit plays bat and bull ball. Ball. 2. His dash is very nice. Boss, loss. Boss. 3. My grandmother will dash me a story. Tell, tall, tell. D. Name 3 words each. 1. Words with SS sound. As, class, glass. 2. Words with LL sound. Doll, call, small. SH sound. Shed, shirt, fish, ship. Brush, sheep. Read, shame, shade, shape, shave. Shake, sharp, short, shot. Show, shoot, shoes, shown. Shine, ship, shed, shirt. Shrub, shadow, shy, shell. Share, shark, shirt, ship. Wish, dish, fish, wash, rash, dash, cash, mash, rush, hush, brush, flush, crush, gush, bush, smash. TH sound. Bath, teeth, thermos, thief, cloth, path, read, then, thin, thick, these, this, theft, thread, then, think, thumb, thin, think, thrill, thirst, thank, throw, trot, third, thief, three, bath, cloth, south, earth, teeth, north, tenth, fifth, both, fourth, growth, breath, path, strength, math, tooth, moth, month, booth, beneath. CH sound. Chest, chocolate, child, chips, chair, bench, read, chat, chap, chalk, chase, chin, chick, chill, chest, child, cherry, charm, chain, chance, choose, cheap, check, teach, much, such, beach, touch, couch, bench, leech, rich, munch, lunch, bitch, ditch, reach, bunch, catch, match, watch, lunch, witch, chop, chip, pitch, march. Let's do the exercise. A. Make new word by changing one letter in each of the following words. One has been done for you. One, then, when. 2, thin, twin. 3, that, chat. 4, think, think. 5th, thick, trick. 6, bath, math. 7, thief, chief. 8, then, that. 9, these, those. B. Form minimum 10 words by using the letters of the word given in the center. Anti-clockwise. 1, aunt. 2, slice. 3, vice. 4, clock. 5th, lace. 6th, lock. 7, stone. 8, twice. 9, waist. 10, snack. C. Write the names of numbers. 1. First. First. 2. Second. Second. 3. Third. Third. 4. Fourth. Fourth. 5. Fifth. Fifth. 6. Sixth. Sixth. 7. Seventh. Seventh. 8. Eighth. Eighth. 9. Ninth. Ninth. 10. Tenth. Tenth. I hope you enjoy learning.